Curious about the dashboard indicators and cluster display in the 2026 Buick Envista? But how do these symbols enhance your time on the road? This guide will explain everything you need to know. Interior view. The 2026 Buick Envista's dashboard features a sleek dual-screen design with an 11-inch infotainment display, 8-inch digital gauge cluster. The 2026 Buick Envista's instrument cluster is an 8-inch digital display that combines a speedometer, tachometer, and driver assist alerts. The 2026 Buick Envista features an 11-inch LCD infotainment touchscreen integrated side-by-side for a seamless gear shifter located on the center console, positioned for easy reach and smooth operation. The 2026 Buick Envista's climate control system uses physical buttons and knobs beneath the infotainment screen, allowing easy adjustment of temperature. Steering wheel is leather-wrapped with integrated controls for audio, phone, and driver assistance features. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Driver seat belt reminder light. Front passenger seat belt reminder light. Airbag readiness light. Charging system light. Malfunction indicator light. Brake system warning light. Electric parking brake light. Service electric parking brake light. Engine coolant temperature warning light. Lane keep assist light. Automatic emergency braking, AEB, disabled light. Vehicle ahead indicator light. Pedestrian ahead indicator. Traction off light. Electronic stability control light. Electronic stability control off light. Tire pressure light. Engine oil pressure light. Low fuel warning light. Auto stop indicator. Security light. High beam on light. Automatic high beam light. Lights on reminder. Cruise control light. Adaptive cruise control light. Door azure light. Passenger airbag status indicator. Curve speed control light. Super cruise light. Anti-lock brake system warning light. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.